Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to use Eagle Brother Spraying Drone app to create a new task, to create a spraying task. So firstly, we open the Eagle Brother app, and in the operation button, click operation and click create a task. And for the crop, you choose the exact crop, and you can choose the different chemical you want to use. And also you can even put the price for each unit. And in our English version of app, the unit will be in acres. So, and after you create it and you have configuration and different information you can still set it up. And you can choose the block to spray. That's the important part. So we already create a block for it. So click the block you want to spray, and after you click it, you can preview it, and you click finish. And now, this is one way to create a task, is by we create a task, then choose the block. And we have another way to create it, which is we click the plant protection team, which is the chatting function, and click the team you want to do the operation. And inside the team, if someone do the mapping for you, and then you create a task, and you can use this procedure to create a task. So when someone is creating a blog, and he can share in a group, so that's why it's very handy for you to creating new tasks for it. So now you choose one block that someone share in a group, and you can use this to create your own tags, and just setting up all the information. And this is for the spraying whites. This for how many what's the whites, how many meter the whites you want for each track. And this setting up is for the safe distance between object, which you will see all the setting up is in English. So in this video I just explained to you using the Chinese version of the video, so don't worry about it. It's just simple as the Facebook app you're using. Just fine tune the different configuration. It's very easy. So you can see on the upper side of the app, we are real time showing you the difference when you're changing the configuration. So inside the just take a look on the red rectangle inside the block. That is for the obstacle. So it's being set up that obstacle will be avoided to spray, and this is the very efficiency way to avoid the obstacle. It's much easier than any other automatics, because the automatic, the avoidance, they will always have some, when it goes error, and you will need to pay for it. So, and in this setting you can set up the safe distance between the object. So you see this real-time reflection that how when you're setting up the different distance, the track will changing. And you can also change the angle of the spring. And when you change the angle, the track will be drawn in different direction. So in this screen, you see we want to change the angle of the track to matching how you plant the crop. So this is very important for you. And inside the screen, the green dot is indicate the starting point of spray, and the red point is the end point of spray. So you need to fine tune the angle of the track to make sure you well utilize all the track. So this could help you save chemical and save time. And the arrow that pointing, you can see if you connect the green point and the red point, and this line, after a few meter out of this space, will be the place that you can good for you starting the drone. So click save to save our task, save it, and confirm the information of it. And you have three options after you save the task. You can choose either the first one is you can add this task to your own account, so only you can see this, or you can click the middle button where this will launch the task, will share to the group that you're currently in. When you share the group, and then you can go to the group and chatting, say you will assign this guy to do this work. So when you are a group leader, you can do the mapping yourself and you give the job for other to do. So it's say you do the talk and he do the job. And or you can choose the third button, the button in the right corner to operation. So all the button you will see this in English app when you have the English app that we send to you. So so now we click to share to others. So we want someone else to do the job. So and click back. And after you click back, you want to go to the chatting, go to the chatting screen, and you will see your the current task is already being shared to the current group you have, and that's how we're creating tasks using Eagle Brother Farming app. Thank you.